In this tutorial, we're going to edit this street photo. To get a bit more room, I'll hide the browser using the shortcut Command B. Let's go to the Quick Tool tab, which is a great place to start editing. I want to enhance the colors using the white balance, so I'll cool the photo using the Kelvin slider, and I'll add a bit more magenta with the tint slider. Next, I'll add a bit more punch by increasing the contrast, and I'll also increase the saturation slightly. In the High Dynamic Range tool, I can get a bit more detail back in those highlights in the neon sign, but I still want the sign to stand out, so I'll increase the white slider to give it a bit more impact. And let's get some more details back in those shadows as well. If I want to see a quick before and after with these adjustments, I can go to my Reset Adjustments button in the High Dynamic Range tool, and holding down the Alt key, I can see before and now after. So let's add some mid-tone contrast using the Clarity slider. And finally, I'd like to add a vignette, so I'll go to my Lens tool tab, and in the Vignette tool, I can just lower the amount slider. So I'm happy with those edits. Here is the photo straight out of camera, and now with just a few quick adjustments.